Until these are snug, and I'll let this out a little bit, and then I'll tie it off.
Okay, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com here. We are going to lift the 1530 Gayweiler and see what she weighs. Hey, watch the stem here, Marv. I'm with, hold on. This one here's off the track. Okay. I'm with Marvin Mitchell, who grew the 255 Mitchell back in 07. We're using his hook scale. Here we go. Just lift her off the ground. She's estimated at 919 pounds this morning. And we're going to get her an inch or two off the ground and see what she really weighs. Don't try this at home. We are professionals.
Scales on?
Scales on, baby. If she falls off and breaks, I'll scream like a girl.
Really easy. We'll see which way it goes here.
All right, here we go. The 1530 Gayweiler from Wisconsin. Here we go. She off the ground?
Walk it down just a little bit. Or just drive ahead that much farther. Well, you want to back anyway, didn't you?
Yeah, I want to back it up. Don't go forward.
Okay, you're okay. Keep picking it up.
Pick it up.
Then you steady the button part.
Pick her up. She's going over 900 now. A little bit more. Right there. That's good. We're off the ground. 905 pounds. So she's estimated at 919. She's a pinch on the light side. All right, we're going to put her down now.